Is spirituality sectarian? That's the question, yeah? No, spirituality in its real sense is not sectarian. But yes, religions can become sectarian. As a matter of fact, the religions today, most of the religions today have become sectarian because they have lost their real objective and purpose. The purpose of religion was actually to understand the spirituality, understands the spiritual domain. The purpose of religion is to understand God. Purpose of religion is to recognize our spiritual identity. Purpose of religion is actually to take us to the spiritual domain. But unfortunately, what is going on in the name of religion, they are not dealing with all those aspects of spirituality. And as a result of that, see what's happening in today's world. Most of the people, most of the intelligent class of people are rejecting what's going on in the name of religion. Rather, they're saying, we believe in spirituality, we accept spirituality, we are attracted to spirituality, but we don't have any religion. That's because the religion has lost its original purpose. Religion actually is the means to understand the spirituality. Spirituality means that beyond this material nature, there is another reality. And that reality that exists beyond our perception, that exists beyond our sense perception, is the spiritual world, spiritual domain. And in the spiritual domain, everything is spiritual. Like as opposed to this world, where everything is inert matter, over there, everything is conscious being. So that world is the world of consciousness. Therefore, in Sanskrit, that world has been described as Chit Jagat. Chit means consciousness, and Jagat means world, the world of consciousness. Everything there and everyone there is conscious. We all came from that world. Therefore, we are conscious. We are so conscious that we are making this body made of inert matter conscious. This body, after all, is made of inert matter. Now, how come this body is made of dead matter become conscious? Because of the presence of the soul. The soul is so conscious. Soul has the wonderful ability to even turn dead matter into conscious being. And that is that spiritual world. We all came from there. And therefore it's very important that you properly understand this topic. All the religions of this world actually became as a result of expressing or showing that spiritual domain, recognizing our spiritual identity and leading us to the supreme spiritual personality, God. In that sense, in essence, all the religions are speaking about the same thing. All religions speak about God. All religions speak about our spiritual identity. And all religions speak about another domain, another region, another world beyond this material world where we all came from and where we all are supposed to go back. So when it comes to spirituality, there is no sectarianism. But what is unfortunately going on in the name of religion, that is what is causing sectarianism. Thank you.